So when we last left off, we had just finished sanding and priming the cabinets. I'm not gonna bore y'all about another video on painting, so I'm gonna just show y'all my husband was painting all of the cabinets their first coat of blue. In the meantime, I got started on getting the space prepped for the cabinet. So the first step of prepping for the cabinets is measuring and making sure you know exactly where you want your cabinets to go. Since there's carpet in the space, my mom had already told me that she doesn't want carpet. So we're going to prep it for the peel and stick flooring. Alright, question. Are you sure you want to go all the way down? What are we doing to the start? Are we doing the beginning of the bathroom or to the side door?
I think it was 82 inches for the flat one.
And then you gotta add another 18 inches.
It's like 100 feet. 100 inches.
I'm just like where I'm at right now. So let's do to the start of your
100?
Yeah, it's where I'm at. That's where I'm standing.
So it'd be like to the start of the closet door?
Bathroom?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Now, this is the first time I'd ever worked with peel and stick flooring, and let me say, I was surprised at how easy it was to lay. The first thing you need to do is prep your floor. So you're going to get your baseboards off. After your baseboards off, you're going to scrape up your floor and make sure there's no debris. You're going to sweep, you're going to vacuum. And I actually found out that there's like a primer that you can put down. I don't know if this makes a lot of difference. My mom hasn't had any issues with the flooring peeling up right now, but just know there is a primer if you need. And I haven't tested it, but I'll have it linked below in my Amazon storefront so that way you can try it out.
I think I speak for everyone when I say, ew.
Alright, so just so you know, the flooring that we have here is only temporary. We're going to end up putting a peel and stick flooring down. For right now, they're going to stop it here. They're not sure if she has enough for the entire floor, which honestly, I think she may. But as of right now, we're stopping here and then seeing what we can do going that way. And then if we don't, they eventually plan on maybe changing the entire floor. They don't know. What is it? And then with this peel and stick flooring, literally there's just like a piece of paper on the back that you like pull off. So you pull off the piece of paper and then you just put that down. Now you want this to look like a real wood floor. So what we did was you need to offset, you know, give it that like brick lay. So these ones were so nice. All you had to do was score the flooring with a knife and then it broke off, giving it that offset. And what I did was to try to reduce waste. When I broke off a piece, I made that the starter piece for the next row. It was so easy, we even got a little help. Oh, really?
Yeah, after that I gotta go back up there.
Eat your popcorn, huh? How's your popcorn?
Good. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah. I just hit probably time to get another piece. Like you said earlier, you gotta
You have to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
yeah, but tell them like you mean it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
God, I love it.
So old.
Yeah, you so old like grandma.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
Oh, this generation ain't worth nothing.
You always just got. I'm gonna do it.
So good. Thank you all for watching. In our next video, you'll see us go through a little trial and error as we start to really lay out the design. You get to walk around with us as we go to Lowe's to get our towel for the backsplash as well as a countertop. And then you get to see how we make our floating shelves. I hope you all have enjoyed this video so far. And if you have, comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you next week.